Today I made this coconut fried rice for my guest and the feedback was awesome. The amazing part of this is I didn't use any actual coconut and nobody could guess it. You definitely want to try this out. Let's get right into it. Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. So today is our son's dedication and we decided to make jollof rice and fried rice to serve to our guests. So I'll be showing you how I made this coconut rice. Firstly, into hot oil you want to add in your chopped onion. You want to use a minimum quantity of vegetable oil, just enough to fry your vegetables. If you can have access to coconut oil, perfect, but if you can't, you can feel free to use vegetable oil. Your coconut rice will still come out perfectly well. You want to just give this a little quick mix and then you add in your seasoning. That's basically your thyme and curry. I love to add my thyme and curry at this point because I just noticed that frying your seasoning with the onions just helps to break it out, and at this point you can already perceive a really nice flavor. You also want to make sure you're not using too much curry powder because you do not want your coconut rice to come out looking exactly like fried rice. So you might want to reduce the quantity of curry you use so it can still look a bit white and feel like that coconut and still have that coconut look. So next you want to add in your vegetables. I'm going to be adding in my green pepper, adding my sweet corn, adding my green peas, and adding my carrots. Fam, if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Eileen vs Food. Please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so whenever we upload yummy recipes like this, you'll get to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. So I'm just going to give all of these vegetables a really nice mix to make sure it is well combined. Next, you want to add in some salt into your vegetables because you don't want your vegetables to be tasting bland. You want the taste of these veggies to really come out a bit, so you just add in a little bit of salt to give it some taste, allow it fry, and then you are free to take this off the fire. Fam, have you guys tried this method of making coconut rice before? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to hearing your feedback on this. So as you can see, I'm just going to be straining this out of the pot because I intend to use this pot to make the coconut rice. Today I'll be making about 10 cups of coconut rice, which is basically averagely half a pint bowl of coconut rice, because I want to serve this as against 1 pint of jollof rice. So we're making 10 cups of coconut rice today. So as you can see, I'm straining this out completely so I can move on to use my pot and make the coconut rice. So this doesn't burn. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water and then I'm going to continue the process. So this is my coconut paste. This is basically coconut powder and water. So this has been like a life changer for me ever since I noticed that you can get this coconut powder, mix them in water, and that's the same thing as coconut paste. I also found out that there's liquid coconut milk, so you can also use that and you get very nice results. But personally, what I use is the coconut powder. I just mix it in warm water and then I'm good to go. So next, I'm just going to be adding in my seasoning cubes. I'll be adding in my seasoning cubes into this mixture, and then I'm going to add in my salt. So fam, coconut rice basically doesn't take too long once your ingredients are prepped already, because that's one thing I do. I just prep everything down, so when it's time I just put everything into the pot and this cooks so fast. So I'm just going to put in all my seasoning. I'm going to also follow in with some salt. So you want to put in enough salt to make this taste right. You just keep adding until you hear that inner witness telling you it is okay, and then you put in your washed rice. So because of the quantity of rice I was using, because like I said, I'm making both jollof rice and coconut rice, I actually didn't parboil it. So what I did was I just brought hot water and poured it into the rice, washed it properly, rinsed it a number of times, and then I and then this is what I have. So you can parboil it, or you can use this method if you are making it in bulk. So I was trying to calculate at this point if this pot could take all the rice I had set aside for the coconut rice. And then at the end of the day, I just decided to just, put everything in, and then thank God it fit. So you want to add in enough water to cook this completely. As you can see, I'm going to be adding in enough water, because one thing when cooking things like this, jollof rice or coconut rice, you don't want to start adding water later on, because I just feel like you are diluting it and then it wouldn't really taste as it should. So as you can see now, I'm just going to give this a really nice stir to be sure that everything is well combined, and then I'm going to cover my pots and allow this cook. So this I have been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes now, and this is what we have. I just added in my fried veggies on it, and I'm going to give this a really nice mix. Like I said before, fam, I really want to get your thoughts on this, and please give this video a like button so YouTube algorithm can push this video to more people so it can be beneficial to them. Also, if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload videos you get to see it. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your love and concern for our channel. We really appreciate. Like I asked before, fam, have you tried this recipe of making coconut rice before? This recipe is basically called, or popularly called, coconut fried rice. Have you tried this recipe before? There's also another coconut recipe I enjoy, that when making that one, the coconut rice will be white, and then you would eat it together with like a pepper sauce. So I don't know if that's the one you are conversant with. Probably on a very good day I would also put out that recipe on the channel, but for now this is the one I made today, and I absolutely enjoyed it. Also, I loved the feedback I got from our guests today. They all kept on saying that they really enjoyed the recipe. So let me know in the comment section, are you going to be trying out this recipe? Are you going to be doing it? And if you are going to be doing it, you are going to be changing one or two tweaks. So if you're going to make one or two tweaks to it, also let me know so I could also try out your version. So this is our coconut rice. We paired it with jollof rice when serving our guests, and then it was really delicious. So fam, thank you so much for watching today's video. We really appreciate. We'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.